Yebo ntase hlala phansi I'm sure andikayiva ke le nizawuqala uyiva ngam izawuza nami ke le mamelani bantase into enzeka so ndandithe kunto nokubana mosibana kuthiwa all my friend bayalwa eJozi bayabasana 2 minutes kube ku3 ebaswe pha kube ku2 ebaswe pha zaphelwa zivala shops ilonto so bazama ke ukuthi ngathi bayavula apha kweziveke ziphelayo yava bazama ngathi bayavula kanti izikhulu zase City of Joburg zihleli phansi zathi yabona baba my friend bayasebenzisa mara guys yava kuchiwe ke board meeting ntomana hayi yabona baba my friend bayasokolisa mara guys into esizayithini le kodwa makudilwe nabo ngoku masidilishane nabo so kodwa into esizayithini le because kaloku not only bafike apha abanye babo illegally yava bathathi i-shops benza yonke lonto but bayabasana nobasana bafuna thina sisebenzisa umthetho wethu namapolisa wethu ukattend into zabo yaqonda kuhlekiwe pha room yase City of Johannesburg club boardroom yaba hayi nyana athomnya guys mina into endicebisayo into nokubana yonke ngoku into engathi ize apha ngokungekho semthethweni mayifakwa amavili mayifakwa amavili kwathi apha sawuqala ngaphi guys asingo home affairs kwathini kwathi masiqale ne-small street yonke into engekho sebuildingini small street mayiphepheteke yami yonke into engekho sebuildingini mayipakisha amasakana wayo ihamba sifuna ubona kwamntu estratweni sawuqala ngabo then ke ngoku singele door to door buildings sibabuza into nokubana wena njengoba ulapha kule building ulapha ngaboni ndathi hayi nina nisimisela masukule nto ndithi namhlanje bantase small street ibag zo Louis Vuitton beziflyer usithiwa mazihambe yaba iwatch zo Rolex neziwatch ezinizithanda kakhulu kuthiwa Daniel Wellington there's flyer by Daniel Wellington ze 89 rand zipushwa pha masihambe because kaloku sana akusathengiswa estratweni ngoku small street wonke umuntu ngoku kufuneka abe inside the shop and even if inside ishop bandase uzawuhlala ngendutso enye because anytime kungathi nokho kuthiwe ziphi impepha yani nani bayaklina eJozi CBD bayaklina sizawuyeka ukoyika sizawuyeka guys uhamba nje sihambe ifone ndakabawo ixabile ihleli kule ndawo ifone because awuyazi into nokubana uzayithini yava awuyazi because uyoyika uhleli nje uyoyika hayi zawuphela lonto guys and ke ngoku I like the fact that sibambene as South Africa kulento sibambena guys akufuneka ngakube kwikona esizoyikayo asizoyiki kuba kuvela kuthiwa hayi ungayipha kwesa strat uyawazi ama-Nigeria pha hayibo ezintoni kanti ama-Nigeria zizilwanyana lento caba funeka siboyiki mabekhe bahambi bayobazi izilwanyana pha kula country yabo bethu na abakhe bahambe sidilishane nento zethu nanku nangokuthi president wethu ebe-address this evening exakene nento ezithaka indawo because sime up sithi impeachment wathini so it means into eyenzekayo asifuni udila nezinye izinto and ke ngoku mna into guys yabona kuyo yonke lento ne into eyingicabhikise into nokubana aba bantu balwa abantu asebaqhapha amagwebu balwela ubalapha like why ungakho hamba uyolwa pha eLagos ukhulwe ubilube manzi ukhulwe ulwela into yakho sanyo ngcono mina ningibize ngelagama no ex guys but ezinye izinto honestly I think ixesha lizawufika apho sizawukwazi uhlalisana nama Nigeria and ndispecify ndithi ama Nigeria because I don't know whether experience yamna okanye but I feel like ngabo mana basokolisa kakhulu like sozukhuve ukuthi ongangeni kula kona kukho amaZimbabwe sozukhuive lonto yabo amaZimbabwe siyawazi ngonuka nezinye izinto but sozukho kuthiwe wena Zimbabwe li dangerous ahle nje ngaba yaqonda so I don't know guys like okwangoku nyani masikhe sinika umtyhi sizabona ba masithini after mhlawumbi ke sizawurelaxa sithi hayi abantu mabeze ngokomthetho kuthweni okwangoku yonke into engenaphepha out.
Manje senze njani? Yes, non-contact. Yung subscribe. Subscribe na. All the teams are here, including the region. We are demolishing all these illegal structures here. We are dealing with bylaw enforcement, ensure that to enforce the bylaws. As we said, we are going to deal with lawlessness in Joburg. This is part and parcel of our program to enforce the bylaws of Johannesburg. So this is what we are doing now. All the owners have disappeared. There's no one beyond reasonable doubt that they've been approved to build these structures first and foremost and to operate in this area. So we are removing them to ensure that we bring back order in our city.
Mina ngiyawasaba ama-elections. Ngiyawasaba shem. Sikhuluma nje kwamanje i-small street gone. Small street gone. Indawo besibiza mall. Phela i-small bokuyi-small mall. Ayikho into beyingekho lapha small. Uya e-small ngo-200 ubuphethe into eziningi kabi. Khona manje imall yethu iwile nje yase-small. Ngendaba yama-elections. Anganjoba bawisele mall yethu small bacanga bavotela na. Aw shame. Phela bawuthi no ye-small ne. Uyakhona abantu bebefaka amazipho we-50 rand. Abantu beyokhona ukwenza i-straight back se-70 rand. Umuntu nje bamshaye i-makeup i-face beat nge-50 rand 40 rand. And mind you noceda ukuchina lo mchuno 70 rand nofika ngekhona braid already ama braids sewewila i4 but nje besibekezela ngoba kuse small. Bese kuba ama heel yabana le heel othi noyigcokile nongena ngekhona uhlangana nomngane wakho naye efakile uthola nalo heel beyikhona uyithola lapha ngabo 85 rand. Nalela rogo leliana like ayikho into beyingekho small yabana lela bag le bag le yellow yegush nalama bag la bewekhona lwathola nje ngabo 100. Abantu bathi ama tracksuit Adidas we Nike nje ngo 300 kube ilama teki wakhona nje ngo 100. Guys silahlekelwe lo operation isibulele like isibulele ngendaba nje ukuthi naku kwamele sivote. Hayi mina ngeke ngivote as long as small mall iwile kanje. No, small street will never be the same. Angiboni ukuthi uzophinda ngeJoburg. Phela nje wekuwe i small ngakhona kufana nokuthi udilize ibri uthi ibri ayisekho. So siqedile ke manje. Yo, hayi shame.
Hello good people, welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, please comment your thoughts below. Tell us what do you think after watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.